Morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn to Earn. I am Krishna, SAP SD trainer. Today I am going to explain you one of the most important determinations in SAP SD, that is shipping point determination. Along with that, I'm also going to tell you how a consultant can configure different shipping point determinations without making any changes to master data. This requirement comes in any of the project that you are going to work after getting the job. Let me create a sales order and show where the shipping point will be determined, how and on what basis it is determined. Okay, my order type is YS4. I'm entering the customer and given the customer reference number, my material is 6583. I'm placing order for 100 units. Okay. Whenever you are practicing and before saving the document, please remember to check the incompletion log. Okay. If all your data is, all configurations are done properly, then the document will be complete. I will save the document and show you where the shipping point is determined. I have saved the sales order. Now we will go to display mode. And if you go to the item data, how to go to item data? If you double click on the item, you can go to the item data. In the item data, in shipping tab, you can find the shipping point determination and plant determination also. Okay. Now we will check in the configuration how shipping point determination will be achieved. The T code for shipping point determination is OVL2. OVL2. The shipping point will be determined based on shipping conditions, loading group, and plant. Once again, I am repeating, the shipping point will be determined based on shipping conditions, loading group, and plant. So let us understand where the shipping conditions will come from, where the loading group will come from, and where the plant will come from. Go to our sales order. So the shipping conditions will come to the sales order from two sources. One of the sources from the customer. Okay, if it is ECC, if it is in ECC, we can name it as from the customer master data. If it is in S4HANA, we can find the same shipping conditions in sales and distribution role of business partner. It will be there in the shipping tab of sales and distribution role of a business partner. So how to go there? From the sales order, you can go to your business partner. Since we are discussing it in HANA, directly we'll go to business partner. We'll go to sales and distribution role, and in the shipping tab, you can find shipping conditions. Okay, this is shipping conditions. And loading group. Loading group, from where the loading group will come? Loading group will be maintained in the material master. To go to the material master from the sales order, you can click on environment and click on display material. In the material master, loading group will be maintained in the sales general plant. Here you can find the loading group. And plant will be determined into sales order. You have already seen the plant is already determined in the shipping tab of item data in the sales order. Based on these three, the shipping point will be determined. How? We'll go and check here. What are the shipping conditions that we have seen? 01 is the shipping conditions we have seen. 0001 is the loading group. And our plant is 2211. Okay, based on these three, the proposed shipping point 2211 got determined. Once again, I am repeating, the shipping point will be determined into sales order based on shipping conditions, loading group, and plant. Shipping conditions are maintained in customer master or business partner. Loading group is there in the material master, sales general plant data of material master, and plant will be determined into sales order. There is a separate determination rule for plant also. Based on those three, shipping point will be determined. Now, only one shipping point is determined. If you want to change it manually, you can change it manually. Every time whenever you are creating the sales order, you can change it manually. Now we will understand how different shipping points can be determined without making any changes in the master data. Master data is the data maintained by your users. Whenever you are implementing for any client, whenever you are implementing SAP for any client, the client team, whoever uses SAP, will work on master data. Whenever there is a requirement to determine different shipping point, you cannot ask the client users to change the master data. As a consultant, you should know how that can be achieved without making any changes to master data. Okay. Now we will take a scenario like where the customer has come and he is ready to pay the cash on the spot and take the stock. For that, in the regular business process, the client requirement is like they want to have a separate shipping point for bulk sales or the sales which will be done on a normal basis, and for cash sales, whoever is ready to pay, they should have the arrangements of that payment methods, whether it is through swiping or from QR or cash, different methods, they should get it ready, and normally the cash sales will happen for smaller quantity of materials. So for that, the client requirement is to have a separate shipping point. How that is achieved? Let me create a sales order for the cash sales. Okay, I will go here and create one more sales order for cash sales. Our order type for cash sales is standard order type for cash sales is BV. So we have our order type for cash sales is YBV. And the same sales area, if you observe here, same sales area we have taken. Okay. And same customer we will use also. Same material we will use. We will not make any changes. Whatever we have used in earlier cases, same material, same customer we will use. And if you go and check it now, what is the shipping point determined? 2212. Shipping point for cash sales. What is the other shipping point that you have seen in the previous case? 2211. Okay, 2212 is the shipping point that is determined for cash sales, and 2211 is the shipping point determined earlier. I think you have seen. How we have achieved this one? There are certain configurations which are required to be configured by a consultant. As I told you, while creating this document, the document type we used for cash sales is BV. Okay. If we go and check the sales document type BV, why BV? Shipping conditions are maintained in the sales document also along with customer. Here for cash sales, yes is the shipping conditions maintained. Whenever shipping point is getting determined, if system is able to find shipping conditions at customer level and sales document level, system will give the preference for shipping conditions which are maintained in the sales document rather than customer. Since we have configured CS shipping conditions in the sales document, whenever we have created the sales order by using a sales document type BV, CS shipping conditions will be determined into sales order based on CS. Oh, 1 minute, there is a problem with me. Yeah. Here, if you go and check now, CS loading group, we have not made any changes to master data. The loading group that we maintained for the material is 0001 and plant also we have not changed. So you can see very clearly here. For CS shipping conditions, loading group 0001 and plant 2211, we have given a shipping point, we have proposed a shipping point 2212. Like this, based on your requirement, you can configure multiple shipping point determinations based on the business requirement. The thing to remember here is shipping point will be determined based on shipping conditions, loading group and plant. Shipping conditions will be maintained at customer level and sales document level. If the shipping conditions are maintained in both the levels, the preference will be given to the shipping conditions maintained at a document rather than customer. Okay. This is one of the important interview question as a SD consultant. If you want to appear for the interview, how shipping point will be determined? This is one of the important interview question. I hope I have communicated how the shipping point will be determined. Thanks for watching. For more videos, follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for your time.